Hello friends, I remember in 2017-18 we have started a small startup for cloud computing technologies, myself and one of my friends. Uh, but we ended up a lot of challenges only because we did not have a good marketing teams. If we would have a marketing team, we would have definitely succeed. A marketing team which is very essentials. We we were able to manage one or two marketing teams, and because of them, at least for 6 months, we were able to survive. Of course, we managed to survive for more than 1.5 years, but 6 months was very crucial initial days because of the marketing effort that our marketing colleague has put, and he was able to bring the customers from Middle East and many other places, right? So without marketing, no company can survive. That is what my experience. Either it is a small or bigger organizations, everybody need the marketing. So today in the world of digital era, probably the traditional marketing role has been reduced, and now all about digital marketing. Digital marketing, of course, you understand what it means. Digital marketing is essentially a marketing approach by which you can connect to your target audience through digitally, either through social media platforms or through mobile apps or the desktop app. And at the end of the day, you will be connecting with your target audience using the technology that we have, especially the digital technology. So therefore, the marketing roles are very crucial, and they are, and especially the digital marketing role that we have seen in last few years. It is a completely revolutionized the marketing strategy for overall business growth in industry today. So therefore, today I am going to share with you how the digital uh, marketing you can be, and what are the different areas of digital marketing, and how you can become a digital marketers so that your career growth will be much better and your earning will be much better. So there are four areas of digital marketing. Number one, social media marketers, who is essentially understand which social media channels works for what kind of product and services, which social media is useful for overall branding, and which social media useful for exactly the conversions that any organizations needed. Basically, it is a social media marketer will understand exactly the purpose of each of the different channels, social media channels, and how this social media channel can effectively use to meet the objective of an organizations or even in individuals. For example, you are a coach, so you wanted to sell your courses, you wanted to sell your tuition classes. So the digital marketer will able to tell which marketing platform, either it is social media, either it is Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube channels, Instagram, and many more. So therefore, social media marketer role is very essential to get the business for any individual or organizations. So his primary role is to understand the different social media channels and how it can be utilized for the individuals or organization growth. So second role is content creators. Content creator, basically, he create the content, either it is infography or normal text articles or it is a video content, to promote the product and services to the right audience. He start writing the content or creating the video in such a way that it resonates the expectations, or it resonates some of the benefits the target audience is looking for. uh, he has a complete understanding of the content, what kind of content is suitable for what kind of target audience, or what kind of content is suitable for what kind of product and services. His understanding overall content is unique, and therefore everybody reach out to this content creator guys or content marketers who effectively is able to write the content to make sure that his product and services get promoted, and eventually he get the sales for his services. It can be individual, it can be organized in any way. Third one is the email marketing campaign, right? I remember in our organizations when we started that startup, we have used to do lot of bulk email campaign to different target audience that we identified. So eventually, out of 100, probably one or two for five will come back, and then you start engaging with them. and then eventually your sales will happen, right? So email marketing persons will understand the different tools and technology available to do the bulk emails. He understand the different template and structure that is required to do the email marketing so that the end user don't get irritated. He know the how to frequency, what are the frequencies that need to be maintained. He knows what are the attachment that can be put without end user be getting fear that there is some messy email and so on and so forth. So therefore he understand the overall email marketing strategy to making sure that product and services can be promoted in the long run. Eventually that is the only objective for any marketings. So what I have covered today, one is social media marketing campaigner, second one is content marketers, third one is email campaigner, right? And probably the last one, or maybe there are many more, but the fourth one is probably uh, basically the blogs writer, right? Who eventually only focus in writing the blogs in different social media platforms and making sure that he is able to reach out to the right audience and able to create the a user base by through his constant writing the blogs and article that is useful for the target audience. So these are the overall marketing roles that is available in organization today. It is up to us what kind of role that you are interested. But more importantly, I think the blog writer and the social media optimization that I was trying to talk about you, the blog is one thing, but social media marketing optimizations, or not even social media, just any marketing optimizations, right? Use either in the Google platforms or any other platform, using the right keywords, using the right search engine optimization technique that is available in Google today or any other platforms, to make sure that your when user search in Google platform, you should be pop up as a few in the first few pages in the Google search engine, right? And that is possible when your marketer do the right kind of keywords, the marketer do the right kind of optimization techniques to filter out uh, or to stand out yourself, your content from the crowd, right? So that kind of search media optimizations is another important role. So 4 and 5 roles that I was talking about, one is content marketers, social media platforms, social media campaigners or marketers, and third one is of course content creators, and then blogs, and then search engine optimization. These are very important role as far as digital marketing role is concerned. Now how can we reach those uh, target roles? Of course, understanding the basic fundamentals of marketing is important, right? What is your target audience? What is the age group? What are the demographics of your target audience? What kind of product and services that people looking for? Like where is your overall, where do you stand in overall uh, competitions in the market? How can you become a unique differentiator compared to other, and many more. So the understanding the theory is essentials, but on top of that, if you want to dedicatedly work using some of the marketing tools like social media, Facebook have a own their campaign managers. If you can start working with this kind of tools, even for Google's, you will get a considerable amount of learning in a structured manner. That is my personal uh, belief, because they are the leader into these market as a marketing platforms. They have organized everything in a very structured manner. Either it is Facebook campaign managers or Google ads manager is the starting point that you can start learning. Second thing is you should also connect it with some of the online courses like Coursera, and LinkedIn Learnings has, or Udemy has provided a 3 month 6 month of marketing course. That can be the starting point for you to start the digital marketing persons. And then there is a YouTube channels which is a lot of industry expert from marketing backgrounds are giving the interviews, sharing their understanding on the marketing strategy and so on and so forth. Those are the also the materials that you can leverage it. So overall, did I cover about different roles in the marketings that I talk, and the different, these are the different approach by who you can start learning the digital marketing. There is huge demand in industries. Only need of the hour is to become an expert and become a differentiator compared to other digital marketers. If you can become, then whole world is in your hand. There's a huge amount of incomes. Today I'm living in New Zealand. I can see here a small country. Everything you wanted to search, even a small plumber to big business product and services, everything you need to search in Google platform today. So therefore Google is earning the money, but at the end of the day Google cannot earn the money unless the marketer have playing some role to filter out the search results effectively, and to making sure that their customers website are websites are been rightly designed as per the product and services, and many more, right? There are huge amount of marketing learnings. If you can learn those marketing courses and become one of the high paid job in the industry today. uh, so just note this, Nirpa Chitri. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye.